If you've ever wondered how to find someone on Telegram when you don't have their username or phone number, you're not alone. And in today's tutorial, I'll walk you through several practical methods to track down a Telegram contact while respecting privacy and working with the platform's updated features for 2025. By the end of this video, you'll know smart strategies to locate people on Telegram, even when you don't have the usual identifiers. Let's jump right into it. First up is searching by name. Open Telegram and head straight to the search bar. This is your entry point. Type in the person's full name as you know it. Telegram will show you a list of users with matching or similar names. Here, where a little patience comes in handy. You might need to scroll through a bunch of results, especially if the name is common. For example, looking for John Smith might bring up dozens of profiles, many with similar or identical pictures. Take your time here and look for any profile photos, bio details, or even hints in the displayed usernames that match what you know about your contact. Remember, this method is only as accurate as the information you have, and as you'll see in some YouTube walkthroughs, it can be hit or miss if the person uses an alias or just happens to have a popular name. So don't get discouraged if you can't spot them right away. Next, let's explore looking within mutual groups. This tactic can be a real lifesaver if you know that both of you are members of a public Telegram group. If you're both in, say, a local hobby community or a tech enthusiast group, search for that group's name or enter via their link. Once inside, tap to view the member list. Public groups let you see the full list of members, which is your opportunity to scan for your contact's name, profile photo, or even a snippet of their bio. This step might take a few minutes, and depending on the size of the group, scrolling through hundreds of names can feel daunting. Think of it a bit like scanning a crowd at a big event. You're searching for familiar faces or clues that stand out. And don't forget that some people use profile pics from other social platforms, so if you recognize their image from Instagram or Facebook, that's a helpful clue. For those who are comfortable with a bit of technical sleuthing, OSINT tools or open-source intelligence tools are a solid option. These are third-party programs or websites that help you search for digital footprints using any detail you have, like an email address or a handle from another social media site. For example, if you know someone's Instagram username, you can enter it into these tools to see if the same name pops up on Telegram. It's not guaranteed, but many people recycle usernames across platforms. Just be aware, using OSINT tools does get a little nerdy and advanced, so don't worry if this feels out of your depth. You can always stick to the basic steps, and that's totally okay. Here's another smart tip: look for unique profile details. If you found a possible match on Telegram but aren't sure it's the right person, check their bio, profile photo, or even memberships in public groups. A little cross-referencing, say, matching a photo you've seen elsewhere or spotting a unique bio phrase can give you confirmation. Sometimes, what people share publicly on one platform can help you recognize them on another. It's kind of like matching puzzle pieces from different boxes. It may take a few tries, but the fit is pretty clear once you see it. Now, let's quickly talk about why this can be tricky. Telegram places a huge emphasis on privacy. They won't reveal someone's phone number or location without their explicit permission, so you can't use those shortcuts. And if you've heard about Telegram, Find People Nearby feature, just a heads up. It was removed in 2024 due to misuse, so location-based searching is no longer possible. Combine that with strong end-to-end encryption in some chats, and it all means finding someone isn't as simple as it may be on other platforms. You'll need to make the most of the public, voluntary information people have shared. So that's how you can approach finding someone on Telegram in 2025 without a username or phone number. If you found this guide helpful, please hit that like button. It helps other people discover helpful content. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or need advice on finding someone unique. I always check the comments and love helping out. And don't forget to subscribe for more practical tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching.